Hello everyone, this is Monica. As we studied in our earlier class, the identities of factorization. What are the first recall? What are the identities of factorization? The first one identity is a plus b whole square. So what is the expand form of a plus b whole square? That is a square plus 2ab plus b square. In our today's class, we studied how to use these identities in the expression. Let's take an example. First, x square plus 8x plus 16. In this, we take x square as a and 16. What is the square of the number 16? That is 4. And 8x as 2ab. Now, we have to factorize this expression. How we factorize this expression? We see that in this a is x and we get b as a 4. Now for 2ab we have 8x. How to factorize this 8x? So according to formula 2ab, here 2 comes as it is, a is x and b is 4. So how we write 8x? That is 2 multiply x multiply 4. So in this we see that a is a plus b. A plus b whole square means here a we get x and b we get 4. So x plus 4 square is the identity of this a plus b whole square. So what is the identity of this factorization? That is x plus 4 and x plus 4. So let's take the another example. Now we comes to our next method of factorization, that is the middle term splitting. The next method of factorization is middle term splitting. Middle term splitting. What does the word splitting means? This is the very important topic of factorization, Second method, that is middle term splitting. So what does splitting means? Splitting means divide. We have to divide. So let's take an example, that is x square plus 5x plus 6. This is the expression. So we have to split this middle term in such a way that by multiplying we get 6 and by adding we get 5x. So we have to see what are the factors of this number 6. So what are the factors of 6? Factors of 6, that is 1 into 6. If we multiply 1 by 6 we get 6. So by multiplying we get 6, but by adding 1 plus 6 we don't get 5. So this situation will not satisfy. Then we take the factors of 6 as 2 multiply 3. 2 multiplied by 3 we get 6, and if we add 2 plus 3 we get the number 5. So this situation will satisfy. So how we write this as a factor? So our x square we write as it is and this 6 as it is. And how we write this middle term? We write middle term as 2x plus 3x. So by adding we see 2 plus 3 we get 5 and by multiplying 2 into 3 we get 6. So this situation will satisfy. So we have to take the common from both these numbers. Common from both these numbers, that is x. The x square, from x square x is come. So what number will left? That is x plus x come here, the number left is 2. Then we take common from the another term, then common from the another term is 3. So because 3 comes in both these numbers, so left number is x plus, in the table of 3 6 comes 2 times. So we get the number x plus 2 as a common, and the number left is x plus 3. So in this way we get the factors of this middle term splitting expression. So this is the important topic of factorization, that is middle term splitting. So let's take another example. So let's take another example, that is 6x square minus 13x plus 6. What is the middle term in this? The middle term in this is 13x. What is the coefficient of x square? That is 6. First of all, we have to multiply both these numbers. We get 36. So what are the factors of this number 36? 36. What are the factors of 36? If we multiply 2 multiplied by 12, then we get, if we multiply 2 multiplied by 13, we get 36. If we multiply 2 times 13, we get 36, but by adding 2 plus 13, we get 15. So this situation not satisfied. So we take another factors of 36, that is 3 into 12. If we multiply 3 times 3 to 12, we get 36, and if we add 3 plus 12, we get 15. So this situation again not satisfied. So we take another one. If we multiply 4 multiplied by 9, then we get 36, and if we add 4 plus 9, then we get our number 13. So this situation satisfied. By multiplying 4 multiply 9, we get 36, and by adding we get 13. So this situation satisfies. So how we write? Let's see. So we write 6x square as it is. Middle term, how we write? That is 4x minus 9x plus 6. Why? Because 4, and if we add 4 to 9, then we get 13. And how we write this is how to take common from both these terms. What is the common in both these terms? That is 2 comes in both the table, and x is again the common. So we take 2x as a common. In the table of 2, 6 comes 3 times, and from x square x comes, the number left is x, and in the table of 2, 4 comes 2 times, x is already comes, so we don't take x. Then the number common in both these terms is 3 minus 3, x is not a common, so what is number left is 3. In the table of 3, 9 comes 3 times, x we write, and then minus plus minus, in the table of 3, 6 come 2. Okay, we get both these terms as a common. So how we write? 3x minus 2 and 2x minus 3. These are the factors of this algebraic expression. Now we proceed toward our next identity, that is a minus b whole square. What is the expand form of a minus b whole square? So let's proceed towards our next identity, second identity, that is a minus b whole square. What is the expand form of a minus b whole square? That is a square minus 2ab plus b square. So let's take an example. 16a square minus 48ab plus 36b square. In this What is the square of 16? That is 4. What is the square of 36? That is 6b. How we write 48ab? 2ab. We have to write 2ab. So how we write 48ab in 2ab form? 2 as it is. What is the value of a? The value of a is 4a, and what is the value of b? That is 6b. So how we write? Minus as it is, 2 multiply 4a multiply 6b. Now in this way we get a as a 4a and b as a 6b. So how we write in this form? That is a minus b whole square. That is, we get a as 4a and b as a 6b. In this way we find the factors of this identity, that is a minus b whole square, that is a square minus 2ab plus b square. So the third one identity, it comes to our third identity, that is a square minus b square. A square minus b square. What is the expand form of a square minus b square? We will study it in our next class. So bye bye to all.